sister. You know, say my girl, you can look on them back where you see them pretty.
Okay.
You understand me? From behind you can see the girl them have pretty face. But you not even them not even turn round. Back where you can see the girl them good looking. She ugly. Me never know people could all ugly when them turn upside blood clot down. She ugly back front way, back way, side way, upside blood clot down, wrong side and right side. Hey, God eat blood clot bashy. God dash your ugly pan bashy and say you want to take all of this and don't come back.
No, Annie, don't say that. Come don't tell you when God did dash ugly over Bashi, all ugly blood clot, get up and run. Ugly say Bashi and that can't pa. Don't lie, Annie, don't lie upon God like that. God send ugly over there, so and ugly get up when he drop on ground and look up so and say shit, God no.
Yeah, but right now. But ugly run out of ugly and I look for her to get back some of the ugly and she don't want to give back. Ugly, you see that called petrol gas case? I saw ugly gas case. Like
you know what, yeah, I don't like to inveigle in these things, but you know what now? They might have to come highlight mine and Bashi argument for the people come I don't know how me bury that blood clot bitch and how she resurrect back. Now done, me nyama Bashi blow out behind the scenes, brother. Yo, she sit down and she not say a fucking word, so I don't know where. Me no wish my kids up and she and she back life.
And she come for me for my cuss Tanya. And I said no. I figure it out. Me not cuss Tanya. Tanya don't do me nothing. I don't need to cuss Tanya. Leave the girl alone. The girl not say nothing. But she from last year. You're in my ears. I talk about Tanya. They in a diary. Inbox I chat you.
Annie, what me say is this thing have no ending. Annie, your sister, you talk to me and say listen to this Dan. When we are Tel Aviv, me I never friend up. I mean, I'm my own class and you in your own class. But
okay.
You have to understand, say, the America, you have a family. I'm wife to come out for the IG. And yes, I'm gone. All of a sudden, these dirty, nasty, underprivileged, stay bad blood clot, all crosses, don't go on all blood clot. You're going to look somebody, man.
Sorry to cut you down. Sorry for cut you down. Sorry for cut you honest. So may I go say something again to the walla uno. Anybody, any wish one on want screen record this and put on your show. Get to know my solicitor coming on the copyrights and the intellectual rights, and you can blood clot post this a show without my permission. So anybody would do choose to do that. Yeah. Make sure you have the money ready. Please have your money ready. I'm not playing with Nana Uno. We're too slanderous around here.
What's going on over here? Bashi and Pooh supposed to be friends because them are identical twins. The two of them are the two ugliest women on the blood clot planet. You understand me? The two of them are question themselves who uglier. You understand me? And Bashi and grab it and say, no, I'm me ugly. And Pooh said, give me back, I'm me ugly, come and have no teeth. And Bashi said, well, you don't leave me with my only for ugliness. You know, sister God give you enough already. The two of them, they over here fight for ugliness. We don't have no argument with blood clot them. You understand me? I don't know how reach. I don't understand how Puss reach back for me.
They don't have no life.
We not say we are Tel Aviv now. We born Tel Aviv now.
My born blood clot Tel Aviv, I'm loyal to Tel Aviv, I'm true to Tel Aviv, and I Tel Aviv my blood clot say. You understand me? So all when them things say Tel Aviv I go fall out, I lie them a blood clot tell. Cause me I tell you say, any of them did their Jamaican a blood clot chat, so them teeth lick out of them head, long blood clot time. And Puss now have no teeth for lick out, so I go with a drag out her blood clot head. Drag her gum out her blood clot head, drag it out.
The one who even got tried by somewhere. for put on too close. The woman just
I don't know what to them. Some get, but when she realized she couldn't fuck me, when she realized she couldn't fuck me, Dan, cause me now get the time of day, cause me no car, me no broke. Me no know nothing about vomit and she make me vomit. You understand me? She sick me blood clots so much, cause me no born with Ulster. You understand me? You get me? When she realized that me wanna fuck her, when she realized that I wanna fuck her, she tried to make my little friend fuck her. You understand me? And she come up one night. Hold on, Dan. She come from country one night for go one party, yeah? We da go one party. And she da go come at the party and we cancel the blood clot party. Me fake like me drop asleep. And then me wake up and she drop asleep because you can't know when she a blood clot sleep. Because when she there, you had to sleep. The whole house a rock like earth blood clot crane. I thought she had gone. I'm a screeching with the phone going out the room with my friend, a video call. I'm say, look at this ugly something in my house. Take her out of here. Please, I beg you. I say, God, make morning come quick enough for the woman come out of my house. You understand me? And I will cancel the dance because we never did go in and no dance with she. You understand me? Me and my friend and no Dopey never did go walk going and she make them have to call no mother woman and say Annie and her friend come here with Dopey at the blood clot party. I like that thing.
If you want just like a pastor, you have clothes. You want just like a gangster, you have clothes. You want just decent animal rich blood clot closet. I mean, I tell you that you will on IG. Sometimes when you come on there for some blood clot, that boy Annie they can't dress enough.
Thank you.
Annie they look good enough. When the boy come out in a crystal. Straight when the boy come out. When the boy Annie come out in a white. Boy Annie, me not tell you, boy you can't dress. Bros, you can't get them kind of boy they bros.
Yeah, but when God score with scoring pan, she still can't come clean. You understand me? She coming like them old Dutty there. Step out with blood clot fire from Jamaica. You understand me? But she color burn and she no white. But she black burn and she don't blood clot white. Me never know say black could have burn up. You understand me? She burns. You get me?
We live near out of town, arcade. We know about clothes a long time. You understand? She one big ugly woman with a blood clot rolling cap. We sit down for about 10 buckle one time to blood clot. One buckle old woman, I never see her yet.
Yeah, but me not trouble this woman, you know. I'm tell the woman leave the blood clot girl alone because the girl don't do nothing but she where you jump out on the woman for. Leave the woman alone. The girl don't do nothing. Alright, because this, you see this thing, Dan? You see this thing, Dan? You see when the box of money did I give away, when Donald Trump did come, that I do. Him did come like him a Donald Trump, you know. You understand me, and him have the Euro million, and did want to give the nation. You understand me, but true, me never want to take nothing from him, because I know where him come from, look like him did not come for pussy, I mean, I have none for him, so I never want nothing. The boxes, not the cartons. When him come the night, and him have the 3 boxes, and him depend 5,000, because him look like him swing all heap away now. And him say I have 2,000, I have 5,000, I have 200 there. You understand me? You get me? And Dan and Tanya end up win, yeah? It was a problem from that night when Tanya win. Yeah? It come where it's claimed say you and Tanya them did a set up something. You understand me? That me not pay that no mind because me see where that I head to. Because first of all, she say she and the Jew-man are brother and sister. You understand me? And that look like far relationship because at the end of the day, him can't look on glass now go broke when him looking at it. She crack up blood clot glass, your glass them in half your house have to turn back we and say don't pass me ear you. When
every minute check no, I'm not it now, but we say a prank. If you notice, I said her 3 times it's prank. Me not it because it not sound good. Me say, oh, comes it not sound good. Nobody not say them want rob you. We said prank. All right, now go talk to the girl them and come back. So Mr. Tanya, talk to the girl them and come back. What is that for say we're gonna run a prank? A prank I think what rich people I do. You understand, movie star I do. You understand? So when you come out now when you said, oh, Dan and Tanya did one what you call it? What the word you call it? Scam Jew.
Yeah.
I don't know what you talk about scam Jew because listen, me live America, me forget my pension from the government, me forget my social security benefit from the government. When me reach 65, so therefore my name can't go in a scandal like scamming. Now me no want to on my bed and lie down and say blood clot, me for them hurt me, I'm about to hurt me, I can't get the government check while come
True.
and nobody want to sit
Yeah.
and get it. So me no know where Brazil come talk about scamming. Me have sense, me have to see in America. Me could go scam $1,500 and me have my lifetime money when me I work so hard, pack up in a car and wait for me. You understand, Bree? That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Why are you gonna do that to yourself now and fuck up your money now? What happened to them people?
All right. Right now, them have a thing. In America right now, you're not working. You understand? We call it
The furlough something there.
No, on the employment. You understand?
Yeah.
We can't sit up on an employment for up to 2, 3.
Like that mean you chat people with Annie. You see from I hear that, I take myself away from it. I don't want to hear nothing about nothing. I don't want to talk to nothing. Because when she was coming about with Chris, you know, with Chris Biscuit, I call Chris Biscuit phone. I'm going to say, Chris Biscuit, there's some things that go on. I'm going to meet with our friend, as friend. When I need for you and Bashi need to sort this out with Bashi because Bashi I feel away. But that's what Bashi do. She build mix up. She build mix up. You understand me? And she will at one chat you. She want chat Chris. She want chat Jenna. She want chat Diary. She want chat Candy. You understand me? For you try focus your mind. You understand me? For distract you. For say yo them people are not good and them are mix up. But guess what? The people them haven't done me nothing. So I don't need to hold no against them.
Oh, mix them. If somebody not do me nothing, I can't just jump out and cuss them. If somebody not do me nothing, somebody can't just tell me, say, Bree, say, I'm come cuss Bree. Come on, go find out from Bree. Bree, why you say
wow,
you understand? This big dirty brass does follow this big ugly rampus woman when you eat that one name cake because when you know her head different from her blood clot food. Don't, woman.
But as she go for puss, as she go for puss, and she's trying to go for every. What she's trying to do, the only person she could draw for to come and cuss me was puss because she tried to she tried to get Berry to cuss me. Berry not paying her no mind when she's over there calling my name because she don't call Annie.
Yeah.
Like for fuck's sake. You get me? So she couldn't get. So the only person she could have get there for join her for come and call my name was Puss. You understand me? And Puss know why she have her feelings to me because of course my cock bigger than her man cock. Which fair enough. You get what I say? So, and of course I have more clothes than her man. Yes, which I understand. That's why she hates me. And of course I have my own things. That's why she hates me. You get me? Cause you fuck a worthless boy. You understand me? I'ma tell you, say match up your man. Me tell her, say match up your man cocky to my one. When you match up your man cocky to my cocky, then you talk to me. When you match up your man closet to my closet, then you talk to me. For right now, me and you not have a wall, no argument because era. That me hand out to you. Just make me and your man match up close, cause me's a boy. Me and you can't match up close, cause you're a girl. And if me and you did for match up close because a t-shirt alone you wear, would have beaten at the t-shirt competition. You understand me? Cause me say white t-shirt from all description, all size and all figures. You get what me say? So would have beat her there so still for the girl part me I go to.
Everybody over 40, right? Take on the one that just get the bed at 29-year-old. Bree, can you look young, you know, Bree?
41.
Yeah, 41. All right. I want to know when this thing I got done because, honestly, I take out your type completely because I know you, me grow up with you. You understand? You wasn't a girl. All the whole of Tel Aviv people them can't talk.
I never into no mix up. I don't do mix up.
Yeah,
I don't Bree, ask this girl. I don't do mix up. You never could have called my name.
Put you aside, Annie. This is not
trust
me. No,
ask her.
And this
yeah, me not do this. England this, England mo come in things. Me not do mix up. This when it come to gas up, me not in it.
Because baby nice and soft. Me don't know why that woman there call me. She shape like when you bend down. When the bumper clot, she call me name for me a PR blood clot, man. I want to that big ugly blood clot woman that we got turned back we and make her never even turn round one blood clot time. Want to her man, where she a blood clot call me name for. Me not argue with Puss, cause Puss uglier than her blood clot. Puss no look better than herself. Puss the like when their blood clot sneeze. Is shame. When the bumper blood clot, she call me for. Blood clot woman there. Me look pan her. When they pussy clot, she call me name for. Me no look pan her. Me no want Puss call me name. Cause me never argue with her.
But me don't see this woman, me don't trouble this woman, cause from the last time you said to me, say, sis, you know I don't pay that woman no attention. Me say true. Me don't look on the woman, me no call back for the woman, me no ask for the woman, me no hello her, me no
to that big ugly blood clot woman that we got turned back we and make her never even turn round one blood clot time. Want to her man, where she a blood clot call me name for. Me not argue with Puss, cause Puss uglier than her blood clot. Puss no look better than herself. Puss the like when their blood clot sneeze. Is shame. When the bumper blood clot, she call me for. Blood clot woman there. Me look pan her. When they pussy clot, she call me name for. Me no look pan her. Me no want Puss call me name. Cause me never argue with her.
But me don't see this woman, me don't trouble this woman, cause from the last time you said to me, say, sis, you know I don't pay that woman no attention. Me say true. Me don't look on the woman, me no call back for the woman, me no ask for the woman, me no hello her, me no Instagram her, me no email her, me no do nothing at all. Me don't even website her. You know, website
is bashing
to me, you see, Bree, me make sure from the big time with the whole of them and all of this. Me make sure block all of them. Can you see me? Me don't have no time for no back and forth. And I one time I rise my gun and from me shoot, I'm going about my business. Me make sure me not entertain Instagram no more. So me don't want that big ugly blood clot woman that when name blood clot Puss. Cause when she dead, them not even bury her. Cause them send a grave can't hold my body down, but no blood clot grave no want blood clot Puss. Cause Puss too ugly. When Puss dead, them are gonna use one garbage truck and pick up her ugly blood clot. When they bumper blood clot to keep on a force in a mix for like she old. Puss is an ugly cocky, and me not fuck ugly cocky, cause remember me so cocky to girl. Leave my name alone. Cause me not see you. I don't see you. Don't call my name. Lady. Me not know even if he's a blood clot, lady, cause you're ugly. Not call me.
I know how old me is because my mother dead with me blood clot bird paper. Go dig her up over there.
Because me never drop off on the blood clot ground.
How old me is.
Me never drop off on no ground. So me supposed to know how old me is because I never sign up a bird paper with a blood clot hole and blow it out. Cause she never planned for run.
The only person supposed to ask me about blood clot bird paper and a home office and me give them it and they never ask me no data bird and it me give them bird paper.
Chat on my name like my lady. Like upon a serious note. Like upon a serious note. Like she always try in a argument.
I don't know why this lady come today. I'm not come for her. You understand me? This something where all when blood clot day like you can't see she. Much less blood clot night. You understand me? She darker day and she darker and she coming like blood clot blackout. And she them call blackout. You can't see nothing at all. She don't need for black. Nobody have for a blood clot page. And them come back already when them come over there. You understand me?
Me make Annie do her own thing. You understand me, Bree? Cause me never used to eat up
the first time honestly Soyini over saw. She don't she do her own thing. She keep her thing so. And we have our thing so. So for honestly Soyini over saw. On and also the blood clot jar her out. But she sit down and she care for me behind the scenes. She not come and mix in a few thing. So all of them now say is draw out on it. Yo, you see when the people them ugly, they always try to reach for the stars.
Listen to me, Bree.
You know what you doing?
Shut up now. Shut up. Listen, me not come on Instagram, and first and foremost, me is a public blood clot figure. Me get paid for blood clot go on Instagram. When I go on Instagram, me actually get money. Me get paid for go on Instagram. So uno go on Instagram for no reason. Look at ugly blood clot, rengetenge, ugly blood clot, woman. Post chicken or blood clot beer. Come already blood clot tell you, say me never did I go argue with you. Cause you're uglier than your blood clot self and you don't look better than yourself. I don't want to call my name and I don't want to force it on me like he's a big hood. Cause I'm so cocky, remember my blood clot tell you that. So I don't want to force it on me like no hood cause you're ugly, is an ugly body. Don't blood clot call my name. Stop sit down for my name. Stop bench for my name. Post everything for you wrong. You're wrong bang. You're dirty. Dirty, stinky, winky, dinky, blood clot, big, ugly woman with blood clot, Bree like when blood clot, donkey tired. Any blood clot man there with you, they must hear say God did a blood clot. Come on, them hear say God upset blood clot relationship first. Make man blood clot there with you. You understand me? And that me I make you know, call me name, cause I don't like you, I don't know you, I excuse myself from you a long time. So I don't want you to call me name. Put me in a blood clot size. Me, I am no size. Me's a little girl growing up into an adult. No blood clot call my name. You could have me. And I don't disrespect my mother. Cause I never cuss my mother yet. Big long time blood clot woman. You come like the blood clot long time donkey them where them pad wrong. Now call my name. Leave me alone. Avoid me. Cause everything by your pack blood clot wrong. Your pack bad. Don't call my name.
Yeah, but we don't know why this woman was shaped like Humpy Dumpy dropping off her blood clot while somebody Google it.
Don't do her like that, you know, say a penguin sister. Yeah, a penguin sister. But them got the same dress mess up. A penguin sister.
Yeah,
penguin big sister, little sister. Yeah. Sister Mashi.
Everybody drop off her head. Everybody drop off her head and push drop off her floor.
Oh no, my better things. Me have better things for me blood clot mind.
Leave
me alone.
We over here good a chat about picnic, you know. Good we over here chat about picnic tonight on we show. We are chat about picnic where I get fucking abused. Yeah? And wanna come with a nasty self to come detour righteous talk. Come start shit with people. Yo, them people that are granny and grandmother, great grandmother, them need to go sit down and watch them grand picnic. That's what they need to do.
Hold on, Bree. Hold on, wanna give me a minute now. Pussy get attention from her father. Now her father first fuck her. So she want more attention she could have wanted than that. He was your daddy and he was your man. You understand me? That's one only for attention you get right there. So you get me father and your man. One more attention you could have seek so that you get one only for attention there. So you understand me? Not only was your daddy, he was your man too. You couldn't want nothing more than that.
No, but it's not what problem with me? More no what problem. So push one me and I have a trace out. I look like two me and I have a trace out every minute. Check call my name. Me class that woman there, you know. Oh, me say me stop cuss people, but me class her come in one shot take no set on me and push look like she not like beard. It look like she always dirty. Push always under one condition. She too blood clot tormented. She too tormented.
She's a mechanic. She always look like she's a mechanic. She always feel agree.
Leave me alone, man. I leave me the fuck alone.
Yeah, who's always look like she's a mechanic, she greasy. You understand me? She are a fireman where does come out on fire, she toasted. You get what me I say? And wet and greasy and oily. You understand that she's a blood clot wrestler. You understand no lotion, no the out there for a pure coconut oil she use a blood clot rub for her body. From left right and blood clot take the woman. Because I never send call you, I never look you, I never know you exist, I never know God create something like blood clot. You know, take no set for me, I beg you leave me alone with me rubber blood clot, cocky and good put. Money for me to want to borrow. Just see. What do them people? I'm not trouble this woman and this woman does come for me from where they am going to send caller.
So come back and say $70 because the money is a part of my clothes.
What this woman does have and she know what she do, you know. Cause she call my name and me not pay no attention. So she fix it know when she call my sister name, I go pay her attention cause she knows someone from them call my sister name.
Remember, it's me, my different from you, you know. It's me, Bree. Let me tell you, say somebody gonna argue with me. Once me see a syndicate, me and you not in a nothing. Me not want no friend from you. So you see, honey, with the Bashi situation, from you see Bashi did all over the place, like Bashi not have no abided home like she offered. You should never befriend her, bro, and invite her to your house and all of them stuff there. Like you me just different from only. You understand me, Bree? I'm just a different person. There's certain shit that I don't do. Once you're in a one syndicate and you can't pick a side, me take my time and me go over
Soyini, I know. Soyini, right. Soyini, right.
Can't stick no come with bunk bed. Great with bunk bed. Me alone I got blood clot dead. Me alone I blood clot buried. You understand me? Me alone are dead, me alone are buried. And you know, and he's a friendly person. Yes, to a certain extent. And once me see you can't pick a side, that's where I draw my line, Bree. I'm a pet. Cause you see?
That's right.
I don't.
Me not in no flipping, no flapping, no cheating, no chatting, you know. Just show me where you stand up, though.
Yeah, me not plan to live my life. Like I said, and to come on Instagram for argue with people every day because that not benefit me nowhere, shape or form. For me, being sometime-ish, family crawl, and them me never used to talk to. And he's my sister, and I don't even talk to her all the time. So, when I see a syndicate and no non-progressive element or room, you just leave them. Me block all of them in a Bree. Me not have none of them. Me block every mama blood clot body. From me even see a right something and me see you not too close, me block them. Cause this is what them get up and live for. And me not get up and live for that. Me have a aim. Me not want list. Me have ambition. I want to reach somewhere in life. You understand me? I want to reach somewhere in life. And that is it. So, at the end of the day, kudos to who want fucking blood clot get up and want war every day that have feeding business. But one thing I gotta tell her, like me, now I have no time for that. Me not have no time for entertain nobody when I do not know with themselves, when I reach nowhere in a life. Some people they get up and do the same thing. If you're 20 and you're 40 something, 50 something, and act the same way 20, 30 years ago, that means something is wrong with you. You did not elevate nowhere, shape, or form in your life. And that's why they're stagnant. So every day, they have to get up and argue with people to feel better about themselves. Or I don't know what is it, but me not gonna entertain Uno because I have better things to do. I'm doing great in my life. Yeah, I'm doing very great. Yes, I am doing very great. So that's soon a business. I'm living my life. I don't care what no one say about me. If you don't like me or if a bitch say this and that and take that and blah, whatever, go ask the bitch again. We'll tell you. If a bitch says she don't like saying don't tell me. Go ask the bitch.
That's right.
She come in at my house. When she come at my house, she not pay no blood clot, gas, no light, no electric. She not bring no pack lunch. She not bring no food. She eat, drink shit and blood clot fat. And she come in at my house and me have a full head when me hang up key and blood clot jacket. And for no say she that crosses from them time that me never did want her back at my house. She come in at 200 and add something for my blood clot bullet. And she come and broke my blood clot bullet. Yeah, that's time when my adopted my for me. You understand me? I take her blood clot $100 because at the end of the day, she buy one little something back for £7 when me couldn't blood clot, see. So me take the £100 and me buy back the right blood clot bullet because she come in at my house, and when she come at my house, she not ask how my electric go. She not ask how my gas go. She not ask how dinner go. She not ask how hot water blood clot go. She come and she lay down, she eat Belgian blood clot for